Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a photo album with InsertPIcture, an add-in you can purchase for PowerPoint for Mac. If you're watching this video, you probably already know PowerPoint for Mac does not have a built-in photo album feature. That's why I make and sell InsertPIcture. InsertPIcture works with all versions of Microsoft PowerPoint that are currently released. This is April 2023. It works all the way back to version 16.17. If you want to find out what version you have, use the menu bar, click PowerPoint, About Microsoft PowerPoint. Doesn't matter whether you have a subscription or a permanent license. Doesn't matter whether you have an Intel M1 or M2 Mac. Everything is supported. The only problem you might run into is if your installation is managed by an IT shop and they don't allow add-ins. But other than that, this should work just fine. InsertPIcture uses Microsoft Visual Basic for applications as well as AppleScript. In order for these technologies to work, you have to enable them in PowerPoint Preferences. Go to the PowerPoint menu and choose Preferences, then Security and Privacy. Under Macro Security, choose Disable All Macros with Notification, then click the checkbox under Developer Macro Settings to trust access to the VBA project model. Under Custom Actions, allow actions to run programs with notification. This assumes that your installation is current and up to date. If your install is not current and up to date, you may need to choose Enable All Macros. I use Paddle.com as our store. The price for the product is $22 US. Paddle will adjust the price for your country. Paddle will take care of any taxes involved. Once you have placed your order, you will receive an email that has a link to the download file. You will find a link to the order page underneath this video in YouTube. The downloaded file will be a .zip file or a zip file. You will find the downloaded file in wherever your web browser settings are for your downloads. Usually this is the Mac OS Downloads folder. Double-click that file in Finder to reveal the InsertPIcture for Mac add-in. Then drag InsertPIcture for Mac PowerPoint add-in to the Applications folder. Now open PowerPoint to a new blank presentation. Head to the Tools menu and choose PowerPoint Add-ins. In that dialog, click the little plus sign and a file browser will open. In the file browser, navigate to your Applications folder. Find and then select InsertPIcture for Mac PowerPoint Add-in and then click the Open button. This will add InsertPIcture for Mac PowerPoint to the Add-ins dialog. You're all set. Just click OK to close the Add-ins dialog. What happens next depends on what version of PowerPoint you're using and what version of Mac OS you have. You may encounter a warning dialog that asks, do you want to open a potentially unsafe file? That's a yes or no question without a yes or no answer in the dialog. What you should click is Enable Macros. You may also be presented another dialog that asks, do you want to turn off macro virus protection? Click the Turn Off button. That is the correct answer. Choosing Turn Off does not turn off macro virus protection. As far as I can tell, clicking Turn Off does nothing. You will now see a new tab called InsertPIcture on the ribbon. InsertPIcture is very easy to use. You simply need to have a folder that has just pictures in it. To start the add-in, click the InsertPIcture button on the InsertPIcture tab of the ribbon. The Bulk Import Settings dialog will display. Choose the options you wish to apply, and then click Get Pictures. The options offered in InsertPIcture are different from the options offered from the Photo Album feature in Windows PowerPoint. The options offered in InsertPIcture are based on feedback from Mac users. When you click Get Pictures, a Finder dialog opens. Use the dialog to navigate and select the folder that contains all your pictures. Do not select individual picture files. Click Choose to choose the folder. A dialog titled Resize Slider lets you drag a slider to resize the scale that will be used for importing your pictures. The default is 100%, meaning that the pictures will fill the screen in PowerPoint. Click Continue to initiate the process of importing your pictures. You will see a lot of screen activity, but very soon your PowerPoint is ready to use. Thank you for watching. Again, if you wish to purchase InsertPIcture, there's a link below.